what has been largely shadow boxing between Ashok Gehlot and Sachin Pilot. We've got some breaking news coming in. Before I go to Rahul, I want to bring you this breaking news that's coming in. The Bharatiya Tribal Party, one of its MLAs, has put out a video. The Bharatiya Tribal Party is a party in Rajasthan which has a couple of MLAs. Well, one of the MLAs has put out a video alleging that the police is not letting him move in Rajasthan. This MLA claims that the Rajasthan police have taken his car keys and that it's a hostage-like situation. Remember, the Bharatiya Tribal Party had asked its MLAs to abstain from voting in case of a floor test. All eyes are now on the numbers. The BTP, that's the Bharatiya Tribal Party, has 2 MLAs and they've said that they want to abstain, and now one of the MLAs says it's a hostage-like situation.
मैं राजस्थान विधानसभा का 84 विधानसभा क्षेत्र से विधायक हूं और वर्तमान में जो राजस्थान में स्थिति पैदा हो चुकी है, अभी ये हाल है कि हमें एक तरह से कैद कर रखा है, क्योंकि आज 3 दिन हो गए हमारे एमएलए क्वार्टर पे थे। कई लोग कह रहे हमारे साथ चलो, और आज पुलिस प्रशासन की 3 से 4 गाड़ियां हमारे साथ लगी है। मैं क्षेत्र के लिए निकला, लेकिन वो लोग निकलने नहीं दे रहे हैं और चारों तरफ गाड़ियां लगा दी है और मेरी गाड़ी की चाबी भी ले ली गई है और दोनों तरफ ये पुलिस लगी हुई है।
Dev, coming to you on this, Rajkumar, the BTP MLA who is alleging a hostage situation, that he's being held against his will by the Rajasthan police. These are some pretty grave allegations. What's going on?
Well, clearly allegations and counter allegations have been surfacing. The BJP leader Bharat Malani, who was taken into custody by the SOG, in fact has alleged that he has been held hostage against his will. But also Shiv, Rajasthan Chief Minister, today mentioned that the MLAs who are camping in Delhi NCR right now, he mentioned that 10 to 12 of them want to return to Jaipur, but hinting that they are being held against their will right now in Delhi NCR by the pilot camp. So clearly allegations and counter accusations flying thick and fast in this political heavy atmosphere in Rajasthan, and which ways the situation develops is something which time can tell. But right now, even as Anand has been reporting, the pilot camp is not ready to budge at this point in time. They have been extremely defiant in their mood, and that is why you had the Gehlot, the Rajasthan Chief Minister, lashing out at Sachin Pilot and his loyalists. Also, another development that has happened, Shiv, is that we have been given to understand that Sachin Pilot can hold a press conference anytime in Delhi today, later in the day, and perhaps hit out at Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. For the first time, he can name Gehlot. He can mention the kind of accusations that he had been so far leveling behind closed doors. He can come out with a list of a litany of complaints that he has had against the Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot.
Let's actually see if that happens. Because Sachin Pilot has been silent all this while. Now he's just tweeted one line saying the truth can be harassed, but it cannot be defeated. But will he hold a press conference now? We do know that the Gandhis are meeting. Priyanka Gandhi is with Sonia Gandhi right now. Rahul Gandhi, who knows where he is? He hasn't uttered a word about this crisis since it actually began. He's only sent emissaries to try and sort out the mess. Clearly, they have completely failed to do that. And now things are all up in the air. Let me take you through what really matters ultimately.